In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage multiple languages on your website using the Wix Multilingual app. This feature is a fantastic way to make your site accessible to a broader audience, reaching people from different linguistic backgrounds and potentially expanding your business or community impact. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to your site's dashboard. Once there, look for the option to access the Wix Multilingual app. This app is specifically designed to make managing different languages on your website straightforward and efficient. If you ever find yourself needing additional resources or troubleshooting tips, remember that Wix's Help Center is just a click away. It's always handy to have that support at your fingertips. Now that you're in the Wix Multilingual app, the next step is to add a new language. You'll do this by clicking on the plus Add Language button. This option lets you choose from a wide array of languages to suit the needs of your audience. Go ahead and select the language you wish to incorporate into your site. Next up is deciding how you want to translate your content. Wix offers two main translation methods: manual and machine translation. Let's explore these options a bit. Manual translation allows you to have more control over your translations. You can use the Translation Manager tool to work through individual text fields, ensuring that everything is translated accurately and with the right tone for your brand or content style. It's particularly useful if you want to maintain a specific voice or need exact precision with the wording. On the other hand, if you're looking for a quicker method, machine translation could be ideal. Simply click on Generate Translations and then select Auto Translate Site. This enables the system to automatically translate the content of your site. It's a time-saving approach, especially if your site has extensive text or if you manage multiple language integrations frequently. Once the system has completed the auto-translation, it's a good idea to review and edit these translations. Use the Translation Manager to make any necessary adjustments. This ensures everything reads smoothly and still reflects the intended message and tone of your original content. Sometimes machine translations might miss nuances that are important, so a quick review is always recommended to make sure it resonates with your audience appropriately. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, it's time to make those translated versions of your site live. You'll do this by publishing your site. With this step, your multilingual content is now accessible to your viewers, allowing them to experience your offerings in their preferred language. It's a satisfying moment knowing that your site is now open to a broader, more global audience. I hope you found this guide helpful. Adding multiple languages to your website can significantly enhance your reach and impact. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.